this trip opened up our eyes and possibilities to what company, regardless at any stage of you are in, the possibility to grow, to transform. I thought what is also very precious about this program is that how often do you have companies that's willing to open up their processes, their philosophies to share with the participants. But these are the valuable learning points the participants truly acquire, walk away from here.
Some of the key takeaways I took from this learning journey was especially on automated guided vehicles, their exemplary implementation of RFID working technology, as well as their advanced analytics in terms of energy and building management systems, which I think in the future or in the current practice where sustainability is of great importance, this would definitely come into play. So moving forward, I hope to work in collaboration with industry partners like SP, as well as colleagues who have joined me on this learning journey in the Advanced Manufacturing Lead program, where I can build relations with them, and so that would actually enable us to move forward to venture new grounds, and at least from now we will know that Industry 4.0 is no longer like a buzzword, because we have seen working principles, we have seen live demonstrations, and this would be a good journey for anyone else or any SMEs or even MNCs who would like to embark on such a learning journey.
The AMLead learning journey has been very informative for business owners and SMEs like us that want to implement Industry 4.0 and automation throughout our plant. We've seen a lot of real-life examples by visiting the few plants over the past few days, and then we can get very good ideas in the best-in-class technology and practices that have been rolled out.
The digital transformation journey is a long journey, and there's no shortcut to this journey. Every organization or plant have to go through this journey, and this is part of growing pains before you can enjoy the fruit of Industry 4.0.
And especially on the fourth day, we were shown the future of digitalization. So it gives us a real image of what the future might look like. So definitely this week it has helped me a lot to open my eyes for the future, and it will, I'll be able to see the future better. I will definitely recommend this Advanced Manufacturing Lead to all manufacturers who wants to have a glimpse of the current digital transformation, and make use of this opportunity. I must say, you must come.